Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Today, we will help you speak English at the airport and during immigration.
If you are traveling soon or dreaming about traveling, this lesson is perfect for you.
We will teach useful sentences, ask you to repeat, and then practice a real conversation. So, stay with us until the end.
Let's begin.
First, let's learn important airport phrases. Listen and repeat after us.
Check-in counter, the desk where you give your passport and get your boarding pass. Repeat. Check-in counter.
Boarding pass, the paper or digital pass that lets you enter the airplane. Repeat. Boarding pass.
Immigration officer, the airport security person who checks your documents. Repeat. Immigration officer.
Purpose of visit, why you are visiting the country. Repeat. Purpose of visit.
Great! Now let's learn useful sentences.
I have a reservation, meaning you already booked something. Repeat. I have a reservation.
I am here for tourism. Repeat. I am here for tourism.
I will stay for 1 week. Repeat. I will stay for 1 week.
I am carrying only hand luggage. Repeat. I am carrying only hand luggage. Now let's practice a mini dialogue. I will be the traveller. Jack will be the officer.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel near the city centre.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Last year, my friend Anna travelled to London. She was nervous at immigration, but she practiced English before her flight.
When the officer asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?" she answered confidently, "I am here for a vacation."
She smiled, spoke slowly, and everything was easy.
So remember, practice makes travel easier.
Let's review key vocabulary. Check-in counter, boarding pass, immigration officer, purpose of visit.
And sentences. I am here for tourism. I will stay for 1 week. Here you go. Yes, I do.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend.
Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
Question of the day. Which country would you like to visit first? Tell us in the comments.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.